Hey everybody, this is your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Scottsdale, Arizona to South Bend, Indiana, where I live. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at Lennon Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com or onceuponatea.net, get a cool shirt at a discount if you use my username Lennon Hawthorne as your coupon code. So, I've been ordering a lot of gift cards off eBay and other sites and getting a pretty good discount. I'm not gonna show you the code, but I got 2 Outback Steakhouse gift cards that I will be using. These are discounted. I got them quite a bit cheaper, like $20, $30 cheaper than the actual value. So it's hard for me to pass up. And in today's trying times, you save when you can. And Outback is something that I really love, the restaurant. I haven't been there a lot, but mainly because it's a little bit pricier than I tend to spend. But now with a reduced gift card, you know, I can definitely afford to go. So what do you guys think about Outback? What's your favorite thing? Bloomin' onion, right, or something? I like that bread. That was really yummy bread. When I'm gonna be going on a cheat day, and I'm gonna enjoy some bread, get some steak. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Outback and what's your favorite thing on the menu. Have a great one.